Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's having a good Tuesday. It's a rainy Tuesday here in Indiana, where I'm at. So I'm not sure if it's going to rain all day or not. Um, we need the rain because we're we're behind in rain and things. And I think somebody said either tomorrow or Thursday we're supposed to get some more snow. Um, well, we need snow. I like to see a little snow for something's tickling my nose for Christmas and things like that. But it's not a big deal if we don't. I can live with it or live without it. It don't matter. Not again. Sorry about that. So, Friday, I went and got me a new TV, and it's a 65-inch TV. It's bigger than the one that I had, because the one I had it was 50, and I sold it to my neighbor. He wanted it for his bedroom, so I sold it to him so he could do that and stuff. So I'm watching a new show called Rescue Special Operations out of Australia. It's like 3 seasons, and I'm on season 2. I think I'm getting ready to start episode 4. So it's not very long, but it seems like it's a pretty good show. I did get my new internet. It's installed now. It took me a little bit to get everything lined up and everything. So now I've got it all online where it needs to be and things like that. So we're going to see, how long it takes to upload, get my videos going once I get them uploaded, because it shouldn't take, 1 to 2 hours and sometimes 3 hours to upload a 10 to 11 minute video. And the last one I had, it was slower than pond water. I think this one here is like 300 megabytes per minute, so it should be a lot faster. So hopefully that's going to hold, and I should be able to, do everything else, while it's uploading. Because when I was doing my videos, I couldn't do anything, and the TV would always go out and stuff like that. So the new internet should do its job. It didn't take him very long to get it in. The maintenance guy knocked on my door at 7:30 and told me that he was here. I said, all right. So I got up and got ready, and now I'm on my second cup of coffee. Let me get a drink real quick. So it's a little after 10 o'clock, so I've been up since 7:30. So probably somewhere along today I'll get a nap and things like that. Since it's early yet, may try to find something for breakfast. I don't know what that would be. I might change clothes. Sorry, I had an itch. I may change clothes and go eat somewhere, or have not. I found a new coffee cup the other morning that I'm wanting. Um, I'll have to think about it a little bit. Probably won't take much. I'll probably go down and pick it up sometime when I'm out, because I do need to go out and get gas in the vehicles. I think I'm right on a half a tank. So yeah, I'll have to do that. So I gotta give the Jeep a drink and go from there and see what happens. May just fix me a sandwich or something later on, because after I get this done while it's up order, I'll probably lay down on the couch and sleep until about noon, then get up and eat lunch and stuff like that. Since it's a little after 10, so I may sleep. I may try to get a nap until about 1 o'clock, then get up and eat lunch. Because I don't have to, eat lunch at noon every day. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I don't even eat lunch. I probably will today because I am hungry. So I found, when I was paying my insurance, I found a new calendar. This one's called Treasured Pets. It's got all kinds of animals in there, things like that. It's got dogs, chickens, ducks, a goat, rabbits, and a horse. So yeah, it's got all kinds of furry little animals in there for each month. So that's good, because this month's about over. Can't believe how fast this year is gone. It's gone pretty fast. So we'll get this one hung up and things like that when January rolls around. Not doing a whole lot today, especially if it's raining. I'll probably just stay, in here. I'll probably I got the heater turned down. I've got it set on 65, but it's a little cold in here. I can tell my feet's cold, so I'll probably turn it up where it'll warm it up a little bit. But I turn it down at night, so it don't get so hot in here, and that way I can sleep and things. But now that I'm up and moving around, I'm getting cold. I've got a long sleeve shirt on, but I've got a pair of shorts on, so find me a pair of socks, put them on my feet, get them warmed up, and yeah, I was feeling my legs are cold, so I'll probably put a pair of lounge pants on and warm up. So yeah, finish watching my show and finish my coffee and let this thing upload. See how long it takes on my new Wi-Fi. Because once it gets this video gets uploaded, I gotta call Frontier and cancel the services for it. So I'll do that later. May do it later today or sometime in the morning, but I'd say 99 times out of 100 I'll cancel it today because I got the new one. The Wi-Fi router for this is sitting on the dresser in the bedroom, so good to go. Everything's going. TV's working fine, and finally got my new Wi-Fi. I've been waiting on this, so we're gonna see how long it takes. Hopefully it don't take long to get it uploaded. It shouldn't at 300 megabytes. It shouldn't take too long to get it up. So other than that, not a whole lot. It's getting up into almost 11 minutes, so I'm going to call it good for now. Not a whole lot to talk about, just, just bringing it up to date on things. And so, yeah, pretty happy that I got a new TV and got my Wi-Fi in it. And so we'll go from there. So with that, I'm going to close this video out, get it uploaded, and we will talk to you all very soon for another vlog. Until then, bye for now.